Look, you really need to be getting prepared, Blue. Time for the Borgs and the Bees chat. Okay, listen, kid. The moment you came into my joint with a complex on your tail, there was only one way you were going to stay breathing. On the street, in cyberspace, wherever, you're going to need to level the hell up or you're going down.
Can I just add that as much as you're welcome here, you can't, stay here all that long. What? I'm sorry, but it's my ass.
Dex, you're going to need to get augmented. It's the only way the rest of you is going to stay alive. It's that or plain worm food, kid. Wherever you run, they'll find you. There's nowhere their network don't reach. Now, surviving means knowing when to run and when to make a stand. You can bet Raycastic can the same. This is the go to Dr. Niles. You can find his clinic near the Chinese gate, not far from here. Tell him you need a neuroweave. With that installed, you can take on any implant you need. Niles is no saint. I'd stay awake for the ops. But he is on the wrong side of the system, and that's the right side. Look, Kether's real, but all that other stuff, that seed and avatar stuff, just forget it, all right? Ain't nothing but hacker myths and bourbon legends.
She did connect to C-Space without a jack decker.
Not you as well. Will everybody keep their feet on the ground here?
Just saying.
Look, I'll tell you the facts. Kether's real. The complex created it. A distributed network program capable of unsupervised learning. They built it to monitor every node in the whole grid. And by tapping into the processors of each server it accessed, it'd have infinite computational resources. But during Charlie tests, Complex screwed up. They fed it too much processing power inside the development network. And Kether grew a self. Some said that. Others, that it just acted like it was self-aware. But whatever it was, it broke its leash, jumped the Complex's development network, and spread into cyberspace. Then we were this close to an anarchist's Eden, an AI seeing everything, loyal to nothing. It wouldn't have been programmers dealing with Kether, it would have been politicians. How do you blackmail an AI if you don't have nobody doing the desiring, no family to be protecting? How do you bribe? We were this close to shaking up the entire system from the top down. Anything would have been possible. But the Complex, they had an ace up their sleeve. A failsafe, just in case Kether got out of control. A parallel program called the GSV, Grid Security Virus. They unleashed GSV to contain it. GSV wasn't perfect, but it was enough. The two AIs, Kether and GSV, they went at it. Remember Black Monday? When the whole grid crashed? Them. Slugging it out. Neutralization. Well, raycasting's it's got a lot to do with you. Looks like the Complex does too. What you see or don't see on the matter is fast becoming irrelevant. The story goes like this. Kether had just seconds in C-Space before GSV was set loose. But seconds were enough. It selected a human for backup, integrating part of itself, a seed, into an organic network, a brain. Seems there are a bunch of people who think you do.
And I've never seen anyone connect to C-Space without a jack.
T here thinks you do. But all I care about is keeping you alive, and that means out of the Complex's sights.
Oh, before you go, I just uploaded you this map of Harbor Prime. Guessing you don't know that part of town so well. Just check it out if you get lost.
Hi there. What can I get you? Please, our menu. Our tofu dishes are the highest rated in all of Taichung. Rice, dumpling, noodle. What is your pleasure? Please, I suggest you try my traditional Cantonese soy sauce. Well, it is the #1 drink in China, with noodle. Of course.
Liking your taste, girl. Cruising for some fun time? A little travel and relax. How about it?
Dag! If the sun didn't just come right out. Howdy, sister. What can this old jarhead be doing for you? Smart friend. Yeah, I'm no stranger to firearms. So, you mean business, do you? Well, let me know. How do you, prettiness? What you calling for today? More likely than for that other dizzy gun sailor. My suppliers ain't good with pens. Let me take a look now. Booyah! Yes, it is. This here varmint been delayed, lost, or who knows what for 2 months now. Why, thank you, sister. And allow me to express my thanks by giving you 100 credits and a box of shells on the house. What ammo you packing there? 12.7? More than a pretty face, aren't you? Here you go, and Thanks again for the delivery.
Hi there. Feel free to browse. What you see is what I've got. Did he now? Well, it's a friend who comes down another friend's path, as Grandpops used to say. Welcome, welcome.
choice, miss. A prodigious choice. It adds spice to your youthful beauty. With a heavy dash. Ooh. And the prickles come out. Fast food, you say? Not here. Here, I humbly strive for the standards of my father Isa's traditional preparation. Yes. Yes. So, you like it? Ah, she likes it. Here's the menu. Miss, my last seeds. How can you patent fruits, vegetables, spices? Yes, even spices. They say I cannot grow cumin. That cumin is patented. I must buy it from them. And then I go to the...
Good day, and welcome.
Ma'am, madam, milady, what'll be your taste? Guns, C-band, intel, uppers, downers, flip your head arounders? Me, and with all due respect, ma'am, from my experience, there ain't no young on the street. They survive and there's or don't. Now how am I...
Oh, darling, don't be shy. Well, little autograph ain't no thing. What's your name, honey? Well, I'm not... Of course. Barbara, don't ring any sort of bell in there at all? Well, you can bet your mom's twerking tush she was a fan. Dang it, maybe it's better if I'm out of the sweet spot of that limelight for a while. Being a star can be a cross to bear, ain't no mistaking. Ha ha! Oh, nothing I should be... I'd give it no time of day, but just ramblings, accusing me of stuff I never did. Oh, my building is number 39, in high-rise. And here's the letter she wrote me just yesterday.
Shame. Crying shame. What? No! The restaurant was one of the good ones. They're shut. Shh, not so loud. If you want to talk wise, come. We can go to the Nightingale over there. It's a dump, but it's got more privacy than a black hole. Suit yourself.
How's it going, Blue? Is Niles taking care of everything?
Looks like you're gonna be hanging here for a while. Just, please, don't touch anything, okay?